Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well today. Thanks for visiting. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip to speed up your editing in Davinci Resolve. It's called 3-point editing. So let's jump into my project here and I'll show you what I mean by that. So I've got a real estate project open here. Quick note for this project, I shoot everything in the order that I want the video to happen in. So working with this, it really speeds up my editing. So what I'm going to show you is this. So I've got this opening here coming into the doorway. So 3-point editing is three things. It takes an in point on the clip you're working on, which is this doorway clip, then an out point, and then a point on the timeline. So that's 3 points. And one note about Mac, I've got to turn on the function keys. So I'll show you quickly. So I'm going to scrub through my thing here. Where do I want to start my clip? Well, I want to start here. So I'm going to press I. So I is going to put the insert point, and then I'm going to scrub to where I want it to end, and I'm going to press O. So in and out points. And then you can use this clip here, where is it? Insert clip. You can press the button here, insert clip, you can see it on the screen, and you can press it and it just inserts it, and then you keep going. Or you can have it set up, I have it set up on the keyboard as F9, which is sort of the default. So I'd press F9 and that inserts it into my timeline. And from there, I'll go to the next clip and I'm gonna press I here. I'm going to have the out point here, and I'm going to press F9. And I'm going to keep going. Next clip, in, out, insert. Next clip, in, out, insert. And then one more. I for inserts point, or in point, sorry. O for out point. And then I press F9. So you can see this really speeds things up when you're editing. If I were to do this, like say I was going to do the next clip, well, I'd have to, first I'd drag, the old way would be drag it in, and then I'd look at it, be like, okay, well, I'm going to start it there, and then I'm going to end it there, and then I'm going to drag it over, and then I'm going to do that. Okay, and then next one. Yeah, well, I'm going to drag it on there again, and then maybe I'll scrub here. Anyways, you get the point. But with 3-point editing, you can rifle through your footage and save a lot of time that way because you know exactly where it wants to go in and out. I end up trimming it after when I put music to it, but this can be used for any video project, you know, documentaries, just talking heads, corporate stuff. It's a super lifesaver. So I for in point, O for out point, and then F9 to drop it onto your timeline, and you keep going. Anyways, I'll stop talking. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, click the like button, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Pop, 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 julep. Pop, 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 julep.